Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price details about the Realme washing machines. Yes friends, finally the Realme Tech Life has introduced the two different versions of the washing machines, and in this video I'm going to talk about what are the price details about these two washing machines and what can we expect from this one. So right now if you type in the Flipkart search bar Realme washing machine, you can get this kind of two washing machines available, and one will be the starting price of close to 19,990, and which is for the 7.5 kg version, and for the 8 kg version it is of 26,490. So the difference between the 8 kg and the 7.5 kg is that there's an inbuilt heater is present in the 8 kg model. That's another thing, and both they do have the same kind of spin speed, 700 rpm, that's same, and same kind of washing programs as well, 10 washing programs, and same kind of warranty is available. But the 8 kg model will be having the inbuilt heater, and which will be used for the inbuilt heater for the sanitizing hot wash. As you can see, in this way you can actually use the inbuilt heater facility for the 8 kg model. And these washing machines are manufactured in India. That's what the seller did mention, in which country this product is manufactured. You can see the product is manufactured in India as well, so it's kind of make in India, made in India program, something like that. So on these washing machines, and maybe this Realme washing machine may go sale during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. So you may get further discount on the product. That's what we are expecting, because it says are coming soon. So maybe very soon we're going to see this kind of discount on the Realme washing machine as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you want you can take a look at the Flipkart website for more details as well. And if you want to know more other details, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.